Hello, Jim Howard here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today's date, it's January 27th of 2021. I just received the Stream Deck. I'm not using the little stand for it. I have it down here. Well, you can see here. And I'm trying to set up a few things on it. As you can see, over here is OBS running. Let me move this down here. I've got OBS running. And so this gives you an idea what the box looks like here. Okay, if I hit time, I don't see it showing up on my OBS stream. So I probably did not do something correct. Don't see it on the display anyplace. I'm going to click on welcome. I don't know what's going to help. I don't think anything's going to help in there. No, it just shows you, you know. I'm going to go over here to sound. So I still see the sound bar working. I'm assuming you're hearing. Sound, file, play, stop, no fade, volume. Looks like. So I'm going to press sound again, see if I see anything happen here. Oh, I know. Wait a minute. I've got to push the key down here, not the key here. Okay, so let me do this over again. Let me push the time thing up here at the top, but I'm not clicking on this. I'm hitting my thing. Okay, I did not see it appear anywhere on the feed. Okay. So I probably need to go into the settings. Okay, I'm going to push sound. Okay, I don't see any change there to anything. Maybe you do. I'm going to push it again. I got an exclamation point that popped up, so I think something's not set right with that. So, let's see. This here is the OBS scene, so I think I'd be able to, if I hit this, I think it will change the scene. I have two scenes. I have, well, in fact, that's what this one is called, where I have things set up. The other one is where my video would go full screen. Now, I haven't, I haven't done any settings here yet, but I'm going to push the OBS scene thing. And nothing happened either, I don't think, because I still see myself over there. So now are we still recording? Yeah, we're still recording because I see it on my thing, and you can see it too, where it says stop recording. So let me go here to time, click on that, and so the time is what appears on the key. Gives you the place to contact the people who wrote this little thing. I have America, for time I choose the city of Chicago because it's a central time zone. But I put in, Fort Worth, Texas, and to show AM and PM. Okay. I think that key is set correct. So I'm not sure why the time doesn't, let me, oh, maybe I didn't press that. So where, no, I did press it, didn't I? Let me press it again. Okay, nothing happening. Okay. So far I am, what would they call it? 0 at-bats or something. Here are things that can be installed. Wonder if I do, see, voice meter. I could have like, let's see, YouTube ticker. A direct link to your favorite YouTube channel or the latest video. Okay. Direct link to your favorite YouTube channel or the latest video. I guess I should install this. Okay. Okay. It is installed, and it would be at the, I think at the end of the list here. Let's go down here to YouTube ticker. Okay, it's the last one here because it was just installed. So I'm going to wonder if I can slide this over. Yeah, okay, I can move those. So I'm going to put the timer. Okay, I'm going to take YouTube. Let's see, and put it right there. And I'm going to put YouTube ticker. Okay, now I see down here is YouTube channel. Okay, I think this might work. Okay, except I have to, I have to type it in. I mean, it's there, but, okay. Slash HNEBS. Live stream or the latest video. Latest video, okay. Open latest video, okay. What are the choices? Open channel. Update every 30 minutes. Huh. Okay. Okay, so okay, so let me click on that. Oh, I have to click on it. I got to click on this down here. There we go. Finally, something's working. And okay. Hello, Jim Howard here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today's date, it is January 27th of 2021. It's
Okay. I finally did something at work.
5:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, thank God. So, okay, now this does not have to be like when I'm running like if I'm streaming on using OBS, if I hit that key, that will have, my latest video will pop up. If I'm just recording and I hit that key, my latest video is going to pop up. So I finally figured out how to do one thing. And of course I could set that, again, I could have the same key, and I could put some other video to YouTube video to show up. So think about what should I use that for. So this was the YouTube ticker. I need to change that. Let's see. I know what I'll do is click on this. I'll change YouTube and I'll put HNB, Howard's Notebook. Okay, now that's what shows on my key, as you see. Okay, what other apps? Let me start here at the top. Control Center. Control Elgato key lights and other devices. Voice Mod, the best real-time voice changer for online games and voice streaming. Troll Like a Pro. Twitch Studio, Control Twitch Studio. Display the current CPU usage. Spotify integration. Control Twitch analog clock. Streamlabs. I used Streamlabs in the past. I think I have an account with them. I'm sure I can log in. I think LastPass would handle that, I think. Philips Hue lights. I'm not sure if I've had Philips lights that I controlled. I'm not sure where they are now. I don't think they're plugged in. These two lights that I have are not Philips lights, but maybe I should make a little note to myself here to look into ordering a control. Oh, there we go. Because maybe I could control it with my keyboard here. Of course, I want to voice control it is what I want to do. Anyway, let me write down Hue lights, Philips. If you've been following my videos for a long time, about once a year we have to order a new ice maker. They start about at $100. And ours just broke again. And exactly, I think if it was protected or covered for a year, or if it was, that was like 3 or 4 days ago. So we're spending about $100. I wanted the ex-wife to, but she's going to go ahead and pay for it because she wants ice really bad. I like ice too, but she went ahead and paid for it. I told her, let's buy one more expensive. I'll pay the rest, of the thing. They had one for $130, but she wanted it. The one that was $130 took 2 or 3 days longer to get here, and she wants the thing as fast as possible. She's willing to pay about $100 a year just for ice. Let's see, OBS tools. Don't I already have that on here? Let's see. No, it's not installed. OBS tools, advanced OBS commands and tools to use on your Elgato Stream Deck. Features include instant replay on stream, that's if you're streaming then, dropped frame rates, modifying browser and window sources, modifying transitions and filters, quick scene toggles, OBS CPU usage, and source volume modifications. Okay, at some point I probably do want to use some of those, but oops. OBS, let's see, here's a Stream Elements. OBS Live. This is if I'm doing OBS Live. Integrates Twitch and Stream Elements directly into OBS Studio. Enjoy easy and clutter-free stream management with all of the advantages of OBS Studio. OBS Live adds control for activity feed, chat, media, request, overlays, alerts, Hypercup, and I don't know what the last one is. Show play, let's see, is the next thing you can, it's control NVIDIA show play from your Stream Deck. Okay, well, I have an NVIDIA card, but I do not know what, oh, shadow play, it says, not show play. Shadow play. Okay. ICUE. Use your Stream Deck to control and trigger actions, change profiles, and instantly change lighting for all of your ICUE devices. Okay, I don't know anything about those kind of devices. Okay, the next thing you can install and have on here is, let's see, Twitch tools. Advanced tools to control Twitch from your Stream Deck. Features include manage giveaways, clip to chat, send direct messages, ban users, update stream titles and changes, Twitch pager. Okay. Super Mario. Companion button. Lets you control instances in Companion. I don't know what Companion is. I can skip this for now. Okay, Disco Visual Effects. Okay, now let's see, Stopwatch. Now, I might use this at some point. Stopwatch implements with various displays and behavior settings. Time is written to a file of your choice so you can display the elapsed time on your screen. That might be something I could use, you know, to display on the screen how long. Sound Deck. Oh man, this monitor, the wide one I'm using, I've got a piece of marble that would raise it up, a big piece of, raise it up about this far, but I've got that piece of marble underneath the printer over there, because what I've got the printer on is not perfectly flat, and if it's not perfectly flat, whatever, the tray doesn't open and stuff. No, the printer won't go there. No, the printer won't go there. I don't know. This table, maybe I need one of those things to raise the, not sure I have a drill for drilling through here, and it's got maybe one of those things where we'll have, where it can go underneath far enough, underneath the desk, that I can tighten it down. Then I can raise this thing up. They're not expensive, the arm or whatever. I've seen some of them are expensive, but let's see. Ouch. Sound pad. Up. It's 5 p.m. Stream countdown timer. Set a timer on your Stream Deck and have it shown on your stream also. So this is your streaming. Will start flashing in a color of your choice when the time is up. Include sound support and streamation mode. Wind tool. Advanced set of useful plugins for controlling Windows. Control the volume of your Windows apps from the Stream Deck. Use the Explorer scratchpad to quickly cycle between common folders, etc. Let's see. Oh, here we go. I think this is something I could use, or one that I read. YouTube channel statistics. Show the subscriber count, the view count, and the video count of a YouTube channel. Ah, I would like that. So, install. Okay, go down to the bottom and get this. Okay. Video count. Let's see, I'll put that under, okay. Okay. HNB. Oh, I need that smaller, okay. That's what I need to go here. 16, let's see. There we go, whoops. HNB and then go, no, okay. HNB stats. API key. Okay, I have no idea what my API key is actually. But I can find it out, I guess. Oh, wait a minute, maybe this will work. Maybe that'll work instead of the API key. Let's see. Wait a minute. Well, maybe I could make this smaller even. 11. Why did it go? Where's the, oh, title's not there. It's what, displaying E1. So, yeah, there we go. So I can move this undoubtedly, to middle range here. There we go. Okay. Now, of course, I didn't put in the API key, but I'm going to hit, see what happens here. Nothing. It's going to need the API key. I'll have to find out. Wonder if they want me to go to their site, and then they're going to issue me some type of, for a small payment. I don't know. Stream Deck games. Okay, suite of games for your Stream Deck, including Pac-Man, Snake, Hangman, Puzzles, Tic-Tac-Toe, Minesweeper, Simon Says, Breakout. We could all play that, I guess, online. Let's run a speed test.net directly on your Stream Deck. Man, there's a lot of stuff here. They don't charge for any of these so far. I'm having to bend down for this. I haven't even got into the manual very far. Drag and drop. Right click to copy, delete, or move. Okay. Yes, now that I'm able to do something with it, what was I able to do? Uh, well, the other thing, I'm going to hit this button again just so something works. I'm going to hit this, bring my video up again. Hooray! If I hit it, does it disappear? No.
Hello, Jim Howard here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today's
Brings it up again. Okay. Control your screen elements and roll your credits live. That sounds good. Let's see, Visual Studio enables Stream Deck integration with Visual Studio. I don't know what Visual Studio, but I guess I'll find out one of these days. Control XSplit broadcaster using Stream Deck. Okay, I think I'm going to stay with OBS's until it crashes on me or something. Okay. Oh, this is putting me to sleep. Interact with your flight simulator right from your Stream Deck. Control room playback. That must be an application or program. Oh, okay. That's all of the. That's the most popular. And let's see what they have. Most popular, recently updated, and the ones that are installed, and then alphabetically. So I'll install some of these other things later. Now I already have things that are view count. Let's see. Okay, YouTube channel statistics. Let's see, let me hit that again. Oh, I need an app for that, don't I? But this is, let's see, subscriber count, view count, video count. Let's see, subscriber count. Let me drag this to here. That did not work. Oh, okay, that worked. So let me put sub count. Oops, got to make it smaller. Okay, that's gonna. I bet you each one. I bet when I go, well, let's just go there. Learn how to use this app. They're going to want a key. They want to. Okay. Okay, how to use the YouTube channel statistic plugin. In order to access the YouTube data V3, volume 3 API, you need an API key. An API key allows for up to 10,000 daily calls for free. Okay. To get the key, follow these steps. Open the Google Developers API dashboard. Create a project. Add the YouTube API to the project. Create credentials to access the app. Copy the app key. Okay. So it looks like this is, something that people who create apps could use. And if you're, you can use for like 10,000 daily calls for free. But if you use more than that, there can be a charge or something. I wouldn't get, but so this is, Let's see. This also, right? Delete. Okay. Delete. Okay, we know how to delete now. So, I need to stop, get some cold Coke, and I guess come back random voice, okay, instant sensor beep, program effects on and off, hear my voice off, voice changer, there's all kinds of stuff here, select scene, there's a whole bunch of stuff. And anyway, let me hit these keys again. I'm going to hit the time key, which nothing's going to happen. Nothing happened because I didn't do that right. I'm going to hit the YouTube HMB again. My video, last video. Okay, what if I hit the welcome key? That takes me to Stream Deck. Okay. Streamer bundle. Let's see. Anyway. The next one is sound. It doesn't do anything yet. Okay, whatever this one down here, I have no idea what this is. Something OBS isn't set right there. And the next one here.